Okay, so this is a shorter week as far as what's expected and with everything going on with Christmas break. I want to give you a heads up. So, number one, on Monday and Tuesday, you need to finish your second study guide for Death Watch. And you can submit it right here or put it in the basket in my room. The second thing you need to do is make sure your second body paragraph is finished. Now, we've gone over this in class and we've spent quite a bit of time on it. As long as it's in by Wednesday, you should be good to go on it. Um, After you have done your study guide and your paragraph, your second body paragraph, there's only a few things that you really need to make sure you have done. Number one, the IXL sections, and we've gone through and spent plenty of time. You should have them done. If you don't, finish them up on IXL. Sorry, I was interrupted. So you need these IXL sections completed, and we're going to continue reading the book and working on not IXL, excuse me, your study guide, your third study guide. But we are also finishing up your essay. Now, for your essay, at this point, you should know how to finish things up. We've done it before, but in case you don't, I'm going to go over it briefly. Now, your conclusion, you're going to need to restate your topic. People are not born evil. Then you're going to summarize your main ideas. People are not born evil because their peers influence them to do certain things. Societies push people to do evil things, and even though some argue people are born evil because of genetics, parents can help children make wise decisions. So just restate your sporting reasons, and then you give your call to action. Evil can be reduced if environments and peers are evaluated. Just an open thought that leaves your reader thinking. You don't want to tell your reader how to think. You need to realize people are not born evil. Whatever that is, you don't want to do that. You want your audience to stay engaged in your argument and think about it even after you have finished what you've stated. And then you need to complete your works cited page. Now, on Canvas, there is an MLA module to help with any citation questions. But this submission is worth 15 total points, your conclusion and works cited page. When you submit this, you should have a completed essay. So it's not due until we come back from the break, but we are going to start working on it this week. And if you don't want homework over the break, I would finish it now. It's only Monday, but I've already had 6 or 7 students turn it in finished. So it's more than possible to get done before the break's over. And that's all we're really focusing on this week. We will be doing something a little different on Friday, but you don't need to worry about making that up. So if you have any other questions, let me know. I hope you guys are doing well and have a great Christmas break.